Hey everyone, welcome to Nom Nom to Fitness. I'm back with another video. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Other than that, let's get into the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a healthy brownie sundae that tastes absolutely delicious. You will love it. Everyone in your family will love it and you will not regret making it. So here I have all my ingredients. I have 1 can of drained chickpeas, some peanut butter. You could use almond butter or tahini. Baking powder, also baking soda that I have to get, almond flour, cocoa powder, cane sugar, agave, or you can use pure maple syrup, some vanilla extract, and chocolate chips. Now if you don't like chickpeas, don't worry, you're not going to taste it in this recipe at all. So you can use a high-speed blender, that's what I'm going to use because my food processor broke, or you can use a food processor, it doesn't matter. Now this is very easy. You just add everything except the chocolate chips into the blender. So 1 can of chickpeas, a ½ cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, a ½ cup of organic cane sugar. You can use less sugar if you like. 1/4 cup of agave or pure maple syrup, and a ½ cup of any nut butter, or you can use tahini. I only have peanut butter, so I'm going to use peanut butter today. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now I'm just going to blend everything up. So now I'm putting the mixture into a bowl, and then I'm going to add the chocolate chips. So now I'm going to add some mini chocolate chips by Enjoy Life. You can add to like 1/4 cup to about ½ cup. As many chocolate chips as you like. And now I'm just folding the chocolate chips into the brownie mixture. Okay, so I got an 8 by 8 inch pan. And I'm just going to put some parchment paper on it. And the brownie mixture. Sometimes it's easier to just take it out the pan and spread it that way. Okay, if you're like me, you're gonna add more chocolate chips to the top. Just adding a little bit on the top. So I'm gonna pop these brownies in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Now I'm gonna get started on the banana ice cream. So I'm gonna add 6 frozen bananas. 4, 6. And now I'm adding a ½ cup of coconut milk. You see the solid part at the top. You can also use a little bit of almond milk if you want to, if you don't have coconut milk. Just don't add too much because you want it to be a thick consistency like ice cream. And I'm adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm adding a little bit of almond milk just because it's really, really frozen. So now I'm transferring the ice cream into a container. And I'm gonna pop it in the freezer until the brownies are done cooling. Just look at this consistency. So creamy. This is so good. Just look at this ice cream. Just look at it. So creamy. You can make this chocolate by adding cocoa powder, strawberries. This is so versatile. It's the best thing. This would be good with like a caramel sauce made from dates, or like some crunchy cookies or toffee on top. You can freeze this and thaw it out the next day. So our brownies are done. They were in the oven for about 30 minutes, and I let them cool for like about 15 minutes, because if you don't let them cool, they're gonna break apart. And you're not gonna think that they're done, but they are, because they're very fudgy. So. Just look at how fudgy these brownies are. Just look at that. Crispy at the top and fudgy in the middle. The perfect brownie. Ice cream's a little melted because I had to take a thumbnail picture. So, when I tell you these brownies smell amazing, I'm not kidding you. It's the perfect brownie. It's crispy at the top and nice and fudgy in the middle. So let's taste it. This brownie is bomb. And the ice cream. I'm gonna be making these brownies all week long. You don't even taste that much peanut butter in it. You taste more of the chocolate. It tastes like a regular brownie. And I added walnuts to the top and chocolate syrup. Well, that is it for today's video. Please give these brownies a try. They are so good, you won't regret it. If you make it, please tag me at namnamtofitness at Instagram or on Twitter, and I will see you in my next video.